Hello, everybody. A big round of applause. They are the future hackers coming on. These youngsters, by the way. Here we go. We are the ants. The ants are ready, are coming, are looming onto us. Hello, people, so-called robbers, and people who love the alien goods. Oh, we love keeping prices and awards. Well, we got money for doing so. Of course, of course, of course. Oh, they have these youngsters have been competing. 5 schools from Spain participating actively. Out of this 10, we got 3 winners. Let's see who they are. So, without further ado, oh, hey man, bring up something, make something. What can I tell you? Oh, fries, you like them? Potatoes. We have to say hello to Botillo. Botillo now, our pet, our mascot on stage. Botillo is the only robot that can suffer a faint at any moment in time. Oh, he can pass out at any moment. Botillo, third prize in the world. Each and every of the youngsters will win a drone and 3,000 euros in technological material. So you're going to give a drone to these college people to troll around up and down, upstairs and downstairs with a drone. The drone has a missile installed and said that it's a multi-task drone. The third prize with a score totally of 1,800 points is for the school Montserrat from Madrid. A big round of applause. Monse. And Monse is the person who's going to receive it. If you don't come on stage to receive it, where is Monse? The Monse, we had a medal for all the pupils and students from the School of Montserrat from Madrid. Please go upstairs. Oh, they are too shy. They are ashamed. We had fight. We had fought for you to get on stage. Now, honestly, they are so young. A big round of applause for these youngsters. Oh, you're so cute. Botillo, go and fetch them over here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Are you from Anonymous? What's that? What's that? This is a cybercrime without the cyber concept underlined. Robbing and stealing is a crime. There, every minute we're losing and wasting. This is a crime. Oh, so far so good. Let's give the second prize. Each and every of these people would receive a new reader, and the school will get 6,000 euros. How much money? With 2,250 points. The first receiver is Rafael Alberti School from the province of Cadiz. Now on stage, so many things to give out and give away from here. Medals for everybody and a beautiful commemoration plaque for the second position in this contest. Let's distribute the medals. Congratulations, guys. Please do not resell it. Do not spend these medals in drugs. Don't do drugs. And congrats. This is the no, don't touch it because this is for the teachers. Oh, teachers deserve a medal as well. Absolutely. Oh, you look good, guys. Big round of applause for the second prize winners. And we are giving away 6,000 bucks. Euros. Terrific. So We want to promote the CyberOlympics. Don't grab it. This is not real money for the time being. The teachers will spend it, not the students. Oh, my congratulations. If you're lucky enough, you'll get a beautiful job position and you can get this money in 2 years' time. If you get into a saving mode, the future of cybersecurity in Spain. Truncadis. Congratulations. See you later. Oh, a tough boy. Tough boy. Oh, you hack. You hack. You hack. Oh, everybody's gone. The Monse third prize winners are gone. So, a drone for Botillo, our mascot. Is easy cam, is a girl, is comfortable, Botillo, our mascot. Now the first prize, each and every of the guys will get a smartphone and 9,000 euros for the school. First prize for the institute, the college Blas de Prado from Camarena, the village Camarena from the province of Toledo, Spain. So the winners on stage, congratulations, you won it. You got the commemoration plaque for your school and wow, a big chunk of a smartphone for you. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Oh, beautiful. Oh, my congratulations. Oh, gentlemen, congratulations. It's true, it's true. You got it. This guy told me I'm gonna win, and he won. By the way. Oh, are you doing cash at the checkpoint? Oh, that's shitty. Oh, for the teacher as well. Congratulations. Congrats, some kisses over here. Ah, here we go. Oh, this is some panties. It's for the neck, not for the underwear. And especially the check, the super 9,000 baht euros for them. Oh, that was count here. 9,000 euros in technological material. It seems that the third prize winners, don't want to come on stage. My goodness. Okay, keep on with the drones. So far, so good. This is it. A big round of applause for all of them. And we got a representative from the school, Monsi. A father came on. Okay, Monse pupil students from this school are coming now. If you are kind enough, please get on stage. Now, you are living in Madrid, but you are taking a long time to come on stage. Congrats. Drones over here. Gentlemen, my congrats. Your drone, congratulations. Felicitations. Please keep on hacking in a healthy mode. Of course, teachers also deserve a prize and a medal. Congratulations. Oh, I prefer being a teacher rather than a student. But the students are better. This is the trophy. And now you deserve and have won a night with our mascot Votillo. This little bottle. Here we go. 3,000 euros. I will remind you that you tutors get close to the inside personnel to deal with the checks and the money. Teachers, people responsible for these students. After finishing this show, I'll come to the responsibles from Isabe. Let's get a whole picture of all of us. The second classified and qualified. Those who had won this fabulous day have left. Let's get a big picture of all of us, everybody on stage. some years ago, I got 100 pesetas of the old pesetas, the Spain's currency, and we were very happy. The group picture on stage representing all the winners. Somebody should bend down. Okay, but here. So many people here. In the middle, the schools. Please look yourself at the upper screen. Congratulations. Very well. Congrats once more. Your mother must be proud of you if they understand what you do. Represented from the very first winner. A representative, please, on the lectern to speak a little bit around about. You first winners in Spain. Oh, the mic. You have the floor. This is like the Oscar winning ceremony. No, just joking. They take it for granted. I was killing the time. Hello. I want to thank you all. I want to thank my family for their support. I want to thank my teachers, my institute for the support they had given me. You are super cool hacker, but your microphones are moving. Thank you, my teachers. Thank you, my teachers, for your support. And my granny. This is it. All my family. My grandmother teaches me how to hack. The very first steps with the Astra and the Rena stuff. Of course, thank you in Cyber for this fabulous prize. Thank you all. Very well done. Congrats, man. Somebody from the second winners. Here we go. Very well. We're learning from the previous mistakes he did before by modulating the microphone. As they said, we are very grateful for our relatives and loved ones, teachers. We thank you for this opportunity of living through this opportunity. We have learned by being here and experiencing this participation in this championship. Next year, you will win something better. The fact of being the second, you have enough stamina motivation to get on stage and win as first winners. Third winners, Iago. Iago has the floor. Iago, I thank you all. I thank the people who have supported us for their collaboration. They contributed to us learning computing on our own, because schools do not boost computing too much. If you do some researches on the school networks, okay, they only keep track of you in these cases. Thank you, INCIVI, for organizing this and for boosting it and promoting it. Tree, house, and rose. These are the three main words. Tree, house, and rose. This youngster will reach further objectives. Thank you all. Thank you all for the bottom of my heart for your participation. You can clear the stage on the right or on the left. The super gigantic check is a symbol. Don't think this is really physical money. It will be cash out in technological material for the schools. Congratulations to all my friends. Congrats. See you later. My pleasure having you here. We make the most of the moment to remind you that you can still download the app CyberCamp. You can follow up on the social networks and participate in the Instagram contest. I didn't know there was an Instagram contest. You got an uploaded picture where you are competing. I didn't do so. Who did it? What can I win? A tablet? My goodness. I want to participate. Where can I subscribe? Your, you're not read it. You press hashtag IGER CyberCamp. So I uploaded a photo of myself, and if it's selected as the winner, you'll get a fabulous prize. If we win, okay, let's take a selfie and upload it and compete. Great. I'll tell you. Okay, we're gonna win. We're gonna win with the selfie. Okay, this is it. Ready. Let's move on to the next speaker. Thank you all for your participation. See you later. See you later.